guys.
What's going on, guys? So as you know, we are going to SCMM this year, and it's a pretty long trip. The Indian Scout is not exactly equipped for super long distance, so I reached out to Viking Bags, and they were able to provide me with a Sissy Bar Bag to kind of help me along my trip. So let's jump into it and take a look. So first off, you get a set of instructions that tell you how to put the bag in, and I must say I'm super happy with how it shipped. You know, all this stuff to me has to come to Canada, so it's traveling a long distance, and it's nice that they're using a real stiff cardboard box. Everything's wrapped in plastic, packaged really nice, and I know this is not going to get damaged during shipping. So this bag's dimensions are approximately 13 inches deep by 14 inches wide, about 18 inches tall. That gives you about 3,100 cubic inches of space. All right, so first impressions are, I think this is a great bag for the dollar. It's got these really nice leather accents. The bulk of the bag is made out of this really good, high quality Cordura material. Lots of zippered pockets, lots of space. This is I'm going to call this a soft bag, yet it's very rigid. It's got a plastic inside that keeps everything nice and rigid, but it is still soft, right? It's got some nice give to it. Big beefy zippers seem to be really quality. The stitching's all even and nice everywhere. It looks great for what you're getting. Got a really nice big main compartment. You got some mesh pockets here for some see-through storage. You got two mesh side pockets as well, and you got these nice little tabs that help line up the lid as you're closing it. You know, as you see it coming down, it guides everything into place. Really nice features. If you need the bag to open further, you can unzip these, and the lid will completely open up. Nice little laptop or tablet pocket inside here. Keep your things safe. So very large interior. So large, in fact, it will completely hold my double XL. Double XL? Double XL. Holy crap, I got a big head. Double XL helmet, no problem. You've got 3 side pockets, including that in the front, and they are all expandable. So you've got these outer zipper that allows you to expand the pocket bigger, and an interior zipper with great access to all your items. Same with the side. You've got a nice mesh pocket here with a cinch down, so you could probably use it for external bedroll, sleeping bag, whatever you want. Same thing, side pocket, expandable. Open that up, main compartment, got lots of space in there, and duplicated on the other side. I really love all the D-ring attachments on the bag. Now, a lot of these are going to be used for hold downs down to the rack or onto the Sissy bar, extra pull downs. But, you know, anything you're not using here, you can store something on top, and you can create a lash across the top to cinch items down to the top. But I will say, I think my favorite feature of this bag is this upper pouch. It's got this great open space with a bottom on it, and this is for items that I need every day, every hour, whatever, for this trip. This is going to allow me to put things in like a spare visor, tripods I need for my shots, GoPro cases, selfie sticks, more tripods, battery. Obviously I'll organize that better, but stuff that I need, you know, extra batteries for my cameras, everything's right there, ready for me to go. I'm not digging into this main compartment where all my stuff is, because realistically, most likely, I can have a big grab bag in here, something, a duffel, that I can just shove in there and pull out every time I want to leave the bag on the bike, go in the hotel, whatever. I don't want to be going in here all the time. I love this upper compartment. Another great item I like about this bag is this bottom, this grippy rubber material. Provides a lot of grip when it's sitting on a rack or on your leather seat. Gives you a really nice, like, anti-slip. Really nice feature that they added. Viking also has a really great way to mount this onto a Sissy bar. You would open these flaps, remove these rods, and you can position them to the width of your Sissy bar, and then this whole thing would slip over top of the Sissy bar, which I don't have on my bike yet. I think we're going to do something like that later, but right now we don't have that. We only have the luggage rack. But if you had the Sissy bar, same thing. You'd put that over your Sissy bar. You could add these straps like this and strap it down to a hard item on the bike that would hold that down the Sissy bar, and this thing wouldn't go anywhere. Another nice thing that they add with this bag are backpack straps. So these guys would attach there, and then you attach these two guys here, and then you have a backpack. But I don't know if we would look as cool as this guy does. Well, maybe. We can try. So you're getting lots included with the bag. On this particular bag, you're getting the backrest attachment with a Velcro that has a Velcro attached from the backside. Give yourself a little extra riding comfort. We'll go over that in a second. And you get a bunch of mounting hardware. So if you had a Brave style seat, you would slip this underneath your seat. The seat would then sit on top of that, would hold that down. Your bag goes on top. And then these guys would buckle into here, onto there, and you could cinch that bike down. Or sorry, cinch that bag down rather, but that's not how we're going to install it on this bike. Your other option for install would be for these two guys. These would go firmly around a part of frame on your bike, and that would clip onto there, and you would cinch that down, and we'll install it just like this. So these straps are super simple. You can take them down to something firm, like the rack here. Clip it in, and cinch the bag down, and repeat on the other side. So as you can see, with the bag strapped down, it moves the whole bike. It ain't going anywhere. And this is where that nice backrest comes in handy. Right where the Sissy bar mount was, if I had one. Put that there, and now when I'm on the bike, I have a little bit of back support. Nice little feature. With the bag mounted, let's take this bike out and see what it does. All right, let's go. So we're gonna head to the local hardware store and grab a few items for tonight. Oh, it's so close. Fits well. You want to put it center? I don't know. Test our highway acceleration. solid. So next we're going to test the waterproofing of the bag, but we have no rain, but we have Kevin. So we will put the supplied rain cover on. Oh yeah, that fits pretty good. All right, make it rain. How's the bag look?
I don't know. Let me try again.
Okay. Well, there you go, guys. We got a wet rain cover. We got a dry bag. I must say, I'm absolutely loving this bag. I think for the dollar, it's a great value. You got multiple mounting options, got all kinds of storage, and I think it's an all-around great deal. So check out Viking Bags. I loved it so much, I've ordered myself some saddlebags. They're on the way.